Hey guys, and welcome back. So today is going to be a different challenge. I am challenging my boyfriend to get me a whole new full face of makeup under $50.
50 big ones.
So we're gonna head into Walmart right now, and he's just gonna try to figure out
We give her some weird
try to figure out what I need. I'm not really gonna help him, so we'll see how this goes.
She's not gonna help me at all. None. Nada.
Okay, so we're gonna head into Walmart and we'll see you guys inside. Alright guys, heading into Walmart now.
We're gonna get some weird
Hopefully they don't say anything to us about like recording
If
in
they
the
do,
dinner,
they
but
suck it. First Amendment.
alright. Okay, we've made it to the makeup aisle. So babe, what are you going for first?
I have $50.
$50. What's the first thing
I'm gonna
I
start
usually...
with the brush. I'm gonna start with the brush set because you don't have any.
Oh, that's so true.
These are so cool. They look like Harry Potter. But you like mermaids, so I'm gonna go with this mermaid set
Okay, cute.
right there. See my first one?
Cute, cute.
Boom. Next thing you need foundation.
Foundation, okay. Okay, so what did you get?
Oh, translucent powder.
Oh, CoverGirl, okay.
Yeah. And it matches
Oh, what does it match?
your skin.
Oh, translucent is
Exactly.
it's not a color. Oh my god. Remember, $50. Do you want me to help you like
No,
in the order?
I know
No,
what
I'm
to
just
do.
gonna tell you.
I know what to do.
Okay.
I've seen it.
Okay. Now you know why we take so long in the makeup aisle.
You need this stuff for your eyelashes?
Okay. I don't know. You tell me.
I don't see it here.
What is that? Are we just doing CoverGirl today?
I don't know. It's too dark.
That's way too dark for me.
M16. M6.
Okay, hopefully that's my shade.
It's a little bit too dark. M3 it is.
Make sure you're looking at prices.
Money and thing.
Oh, you can pay the extra then.
You're like sand, I think.
Okay.
Or no, you're buff. Or you sand? Sand? Buff. I think I'm gonna switch out my CoverGirl for e.l.f.
Okay.
Foundation.
Oh, you're switching the brush set too?
I don't know.
I don't know how I'm gonna make it through. What's next, babe?
Bronzer.
We're still looking for bronzer.
Bronzer.
And we're back to e.l.f. I'm telling you, e.l.f. got the Lolo with the good, with the Lolo with the good.
Stop.
What?
Stop whatever you're doing. Nonsense, I tell you.
Alrighty, so we are done in getting all the makeup. Now it's the moment of truth. Did
My eyes are so beautiful.
Did he succeed? Or did he not?
I did.
Alrighty, let's start scanning.
Oh, we miscalculated.
Oh, we didn't hit our mark, guys. We're over. What are we gonna take off, babe? What am I gonna have to go without? All right, guys, so we didn't make the cut. So he went back to put the powder and maybe find a cheaper one. So we'll see what he comes back with. So I'm just in the line waiting for him to come back. Couldn't make the budget, so we're just waiting here for him to come back. I don't know where he's at, but we're just patiently waiting. Yeah. How much is that one?
$4.98, I think.
Oh, okay. Let's see if it works. All right, so he made the cut. $49.61. All right. Process.
Denied.
We're approved. We have successfully completed the challenge. Now we're gonna go home and put all of it on. Tell me, babe, how was that experience? Stressful?
Yeah, never doing that again.
Aren't you glad you don't have to wear makeup?
Glad.
Well, no one has to wear makeup, but I just love wearing makeup.
What do you mean? Makeup is
I don't have any makeup on right now, but
flawless.
that's why we're gonna put all this on when we get home.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm gonna go take a nap.
All right, here we are, up close and personal. Let's get into what we got today. We spent $49.61. We did it, under $50. Basically, we got all of your necessities that you need for a full face of makeup. We got this Wet n Wild bronzer, some hard candy highlighter, e.l.f. concealer and foundation, also e.l.f. shadow, primer, and eyebrow pencil, and the Revlon HD liquid lip. So this Maybelline translucent powder, actually I love. I already have. I was actually running out, so I'm surprised he picked this one. And I have tried this liquid lip before. It's actually everything. I love it. It's so good. And I don't have this color, so I'm super excited to see how it looks. Hopefully this works out, because getting a one foundation for $50 or a full face for $50 at the drugstore, which would you rather? Save some money or not save some money? I would say save some money. So let's get into it. I've never used this e.l.f. matte putty primer, but I have heard all the rave about it on YouTube. So I'm super excited he got this one too. I guess e.l.f. was like the most affordable makeup there, which I don't mind though, because e.l.f. is actually pretty good quality makeup for the price. This is how it looks like on the inside. It looks pretty thick, but I dipped my finger in it and you can see it. So I feel like for this primer, since it does come in something like this, I'm gonna take my Real Techniques and just use this to put it on my face. That is so weird, but we'll see how it works. The next is the e.l.f. foundation. He got me the shade Sand. We'll see if it works for my skin tone. Let's get her open. Oh. I'm trying to twist it. Okay, so it's a pump. Cool. Shake it up first. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. You know what? Maybe. I'm not too mad at it. This smells good too. It is pretty sheer. I'm not gonna lie, it is a little light, but I'm not mad at the coverage. Like, it's pretty, I like it. I am a little shade lighter than my body, but hopefully with the bronzer, we can fix that. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Full Coverage Satin Concealer by e.l.f. It does say it's a Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is pretty fair, like, that's, we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my eyelids so we can start on the eyeshadow. All right, so the Bite Size Eyeshadow by e.l.f. This is Rose Water. It's super cute. This is like great for traveling. Let me show you guys the colors on the inside. These are pretty. Like, I'm not mad at these. I'm gonna go in with my Luxie 250 brush and then pick up the darkest shade. Put it right on the lid. Then I'm gonna take this gray shade here and I'm gonna go ahead and lighten that harsh line up just to get the perfect blend here. Then I'm gonna take a little angled brush like this And I'm gonna go back in with the dark color and kind of angle it out to almost give me like a cat eye. Okay guys, I know it looks crazy right now, but we're gonna clean all this like underneath with concealer. Now I'm gonna take the e.l.f. concealer and go ahead and do all the areas on my face I want highlighted. So see, with that concealer, I went ahead and cut that like no other. And she is nice and clean and very pretty. Blending out my chin now. Whenever I blend out my concealer on my chin, I always want to take the foundation side and blend it out even more. So there's not just this white patch right here. I'm also going to want to take a little bit of concealer and highlight my nose right in the middle. And then take the bottom side and kind of blend that up where I used my foundation on. I have to say the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette is pretty pigmented. So fun fact. Next I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline powder and we're just gonna pat that under the eyes. And we pat so that we don't mess up the freshly laid concealer. We don't wanna cause blotches at all. And we'll let that sit while we work on our brows. So I'm using this e.l.f. brow pencil. This is what it looks like right out of the box. It is actually very beautiful. I'm surprised you got the right color. Actually, brown might be too light. I usually get like black, pretty black, because my eyebrows are pretty dark. So I'm just gonna fill in where it needs. I'm just outlining my brows. I don't really need to fill in. Gotta say, this is a pretty perfect shade match. It's pretty creamy, it's easy to work with. I really like it. Then we brush up and follow our hairline. Then we will just blend it out. So everything looks pretty natural. Now I'm gonna go in on the under eyes with the darkest shade first before I take off this powder from underneath. So that way, if I do have fallout, it'll just sweep right off. Now I'm gonna go in with my Luxie 141 and I'm gonna pick up, which one do I want? I'm gonna pick up the shimmer shade here and put it on the inside corners of my eye. Oh, that is so pretty. Wow. Look at how pretty that is. Such a pretty shimmer. Now I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Sunset Striptease Bronzer. I like that name. Striptease. Look how pretty that is. Then I'm gonna go in with my Alamar complexion brush. And we are gonna come right above the ear and just work our way back. Right above the ear and work our way back.
Let's just ruin your video. Yeah. Look at that hair. Yeah.
Sexy.
Quarantine's over, but I'm just gonna let
Quarantine's not over.
Close enough.
Then we're also gonna contour the jawline. Starting from behind and going underneath. Contouring that out. And right here on the forehead area as well. I'm not mad at it. Then I'm going to go back in with my Maybelline translucent powder and I am going to cut this contour so we can set the face. As well as a little bit on the forehead, nose, and chin. I'm going to take my Alamar brightening brush and I'm going to go ahead and take off this powder that I have under this. And we are gonna take this and we're just gonna place it right above our contour. Ooh, she's pretty. That is literally such a natural glow. That's crazy. That is so sheer. Wow, guys, look at that.
Wow.
I'm gonna take off the powder I put on my forehead and nose, add a little bit of highlight to the tip of my nose. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. powder brush and I'm going to take off that powder and blend upwards so I can erase that powder line. Let me just tell you, like, this foundation sits so pretty. It's beautiful. I'm gonna take my contour brush that I used and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out that highlight just a little bit. Time for the lip. All right, guys, so this is the finished full face under $50 look, and I think it came out pretty awesome. I'm not mad at these products at all. This foundation sits so nice, and this highlight is so beautiful. Definitely not going to be mad at all using these products again in the future. Thank you so much again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also hit the bell button so you never miss any future posts. Bye, beauties.